Hey there, Shopify enthusiasts. If you're running an online store or managing orders, you know how crucial it is to get shipping addresses right. Maybe you've got a customer who's moved, or perhaps you spotted an error before it's too late. In this quick guide for 2025, I'll walk you through how to change a shipping address on Shopify step by step. It's simpler than you might think, and it'll help you keep things running smoothly. First off, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates, which might include some streamlined features. Once you're in, navigate to the Orders section in the main menu. This is your hub for all order-related tasks. Next, locate the specific order that needs the address change. You can search by order number or customer name to find it quickly. Click on the order to open its details page. Here, you'll see a breakdown of the order, including the current shipping address. Now, look for the Edit option next to the shipping address. It's usually right there in plain sight. Click it, and a form will appear where you can update the street address, city, state, zip code, and any other details. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups, especially with international shipments. After making your changes, hit the Save or Update button. Shopify might prompt you for confirmation, so go ahead and confirm. Keep in mind that if the order has already been processed or shipped, you may not be able to make changes, so try to catch this early. Once saved, refresh the page or go back to the order details to verify the new address is in place. That's it. You've successfully updated the shipping address. Changing addresses on Shopify is a breeze and can prevent delivery delays. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.